Hello mga Astig, ngayon bibisita tayo rito sa Hoover Dam.
And tayo.
Yeah.
This is our souvenir.
Exit the traffic circle onto Nevada 172, then turn right to stay on Nevada 172. Turn right to stay on Nevada 172. Continue on Nevada 172 for 1 mile.
Hoover Dam is a massive concrete arch gravity dam located on the Colorado River between Arizona and Nevada. It was built during the Great Depression in order to control flooding, provide irrigation water for farmlands, and generate hydroelectric power. Hoover Dam has also become a popular tourist attraction due to its historical significance. Ayan, punta na kami sa Hoover Dam. Hello mga Astig, ngayon bibisita tayo rito sa Hoover Dam. Ito yung view na makikita nyo rito.
And tayo. And tayo.
They came to play daylight wasting time. Arizona says we ain't doing it.
Right.
So for
You're too tall. Kuya, Nico, Timmy, you switch.
Okay.
Nico, go more in the back.
Sí, pues estamos bien.